Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for the best product comparisons on the internet. Today, we're flying high with two budget-friendly drones that promise to take your aerial photography game to the next level. On the left, we have the DroneEYE F10 Foldable Drone, and on the right, the Visnee Newest Drone. Buckle up, because it's going to be a wild ride. Alright, first up, let's talk about the one thing that makes or breaks a purchase: the price. The DroneEYE F10 comes in at a respectable $79, while the Visnee Newest swoops in with a bargain price of $59. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Visnee, especially considering its features, while some feel the DroneEye's higher price is justified by its performance. Now, let's dive into camera quality. The DroneEYE F10 boasts a 1080p FPV camera with real-time transmission up to 120 meters. Reviewers have mixed feelings about its camera quality, with some noting it doesn't quite reach 1080p. Meanwhile, Visnee's newest drone offers a 1080p HD camera with a manually adjustable 2K option. While its camera lacks an electronic stabilizer, many users feel it provides stunning visuals for its price. Both drones are packed with fun flight features. The DroneEYE F10 can perform stunts like 360-degree flips and high-speed rotation. It even has a custom flight path feature. However, some users report issues with stability and battery life. On the other side, the Visnee Newest Drone has one key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and can even avoid obstacles automatically. Reviewers particularly enjoy its ease of control and agility. When it comes to ease of use, both drones cater to beginners. The DroneEYE F10 has a one-key start landing button, and it even returns to you in emergencies, but some users found it challenging to sync initially. Visnee's newest drone offers similar features, but adds a 3-speed gear mode to suit all skill levels. Its automatic avoidance feature is a favorite among new users. In the sky-high battle of flight time, Visnee takes the lead with two 1,800 mAh batteries that give you a total of 30 minutes of flight. DroneEYE, on the other hand, didn't specify the flight time, and settlers have reported issues with battery life, suggesting it doesn't last as long. Overall, the DroneEYE F10 Foldable Drone is appreciated for its performance and stunt capabilities, though it has some issues with camera quality and battery life. On the other hand, the Visnee Newest Drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and longer flight time, despite some connectivity and durability concerns. So there you have it, folks. Both the DroneEYE F10 Foldable Drone and the Visnee Newest Drone bring something to the table. If you're looking for a stunt performer with social media cred, go for the DroneEYE F10. But if you're a beginner who values extra flight time and obstacle avoidance, the Visnee Newest Drone is your wingman. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on which drone you'd pick and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buy smart.